this, guys. You got vlogception going on there. You can see yourselves in the phone. Oh my god, look at that. What? But anyway, how's everybody doing today? Hope you all are having an amazing day. Oh, I already put the seatbelt on because I'm just such a good boy. Look at that, guys. No more check engine light. That's the only light I have now on my car, and that's just for windshield washer fluid. I am super happy about that. I hated having yeah, as I was saying, I hate having lights. I want to be able to fix my stuff, man. I hate my car being in bad news bears. A little bit of an update. We made that video on the how to do your spark plugs thing, and immediately after I started having a misfire that was worse than before, and I was like, what in the world? And so we started we dug into it, and what happened was 2 of the ignition wires that go into the coil packs were plugged into the other one. So it was like cylinder 4 and cylinder 3, their packs were switched around, their wires at least were switched around, and so I had to do that. It just was not a good time. It was not a good time at all. I should go forward, but I've already got a guy behind me, so I'm not gonna do that to him. But yeah, I hate this road so much. But yeah, they were missed around, so there was a misfire, and now it's all clear. I finished up the O2 sensor. That's nice and all set now too. The car is running like a damn dream. The only thing holding it back is the exhaust leak, and that's why the car sounds so loud right now. It's because it has an exhaust leak the size of freaking the Grand Canyon. It's just not good. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna get on it obviously today. I'm even gonna do some donuts today. I actually might be going out and doing donuts with my friends today. If that's the case, that would be sick. Also, we just hit 70,000 followers on TikTok today too. So if you're a TikTok follower, thank you. But even though I love TikTok, for some reason, I always bring myself caring more about like my YouTube followers than my TikTok followers, if that makes any sense. Like, I know that some of them are the same people, but for some reason, this little like, oh my god, my car never wants to go into first. But for some reason, this little group of people that we got on YouTube just feels so much more like special to me. I love you guys, is what I'm trying to say is that I love you guys. But yeah, this little group that we got on YouTube is just such like, it's like a family. Like, I connect with you guys. Like, I know you guys by name. Like, I know there's Twink, we got Forged Trucker, we got Moore's VFX. There's so many others too. It's just that it's hard to remember them all, obviously. But there's so many other people that comment every single day. And it's just like, thank you guys so much, man. I appreciate that. Okay, that scared the crap out of me because I forgot there was a stop sign here. And so I thought I was about to just fly through this stop sign, but thanks to the 350Z just having insane braking potential, I was okay. Alright, now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. This road over here, I can get on it. This guy. When you like really get on this car and you give her the beans now, since it has that exhaust leak, it backfires like crazy and it sounds like I have a Pops and Bangs tune, but I don't, which is kind of cool, but at the same time I don't like it. Like to other people, they're like, oh dude, that sounded sick, and I'm just like, yeah, not really. Like pops and bang tunes they're cool if they're meant to happen, but this is just because I have such a bad exhaust leak that it's popping and banging, and I don't like that. I don't like it at all, mate. I think there's a passing zone up here. If there is, I'm passing this guy because this guy's going just a little too slow for me. Alright, well that spot was a bust. That guy was annoying. But whatever, now I can do this. So I got my wallet, and I'm not gonna be able to go do anything like super crazy. I do know one drift spot that will hit, but we're not gonna be able to do anything super nuts. I'm gonna slow down so I can speed on this part because this part's fan. But we're going up to see Zach. Zach's working right now, so we're gonna go up and see him. Say hi to Zachary. If you guys remember, Zach's the kid with the Miata, my good friend. Love that kid. Go show Zach some love. Anyway. It's so hot. It's so hot. I can't do this window stuff anymore. Sorry, guys. I just thought I should let you guys see this beautiful road. This road is amazing, man. I love this road. It's so look how pretty it is. But not only is it a pretty road, it also leads to a donut spot. problem with, I like going fast on this road. You can't hear me probably, but I like going fast on this road. But a lot of people live on it. Like there was people running there. You have to be careful. Like okay, so I'm gonna update you guys really quick because, well, you're watching the video, so obviously I need to update you guys. But yeah, so this road, first of all, it's like a neighborhood. Like, it's in Mexico. It's this camp that's in Mexico, but obviously there's no camp going on right now because it's October, and so there's no camp going on. So this little parking lot here, it's not that wide, but it's got you got plenty of room. Is literally like 10 feet away from like houses and stuff, and it's not like a neighborhood. I guess it's like a neighborhood. I don't know how you would call it, but it's like a little spot, and I love it. It's good for drifting, but you have to be really careful here. You have to do one and get out, because the people on this road are rich people. They're old. They do not like it. They literally, I was driving by it and they were giving me eyeballs just because of the looks of the car. On top of that, there's a little like soccer field over there. There's a dude with a freaking Tesla and a dude with a Honda Fit, and they're playing soccer in it. Like, these guys are definitely not going to approve of my donuts, so I have to do these and literally immediately get out of here. So without further ado, let's be a nuisance, a enemy of society. I'm gonna start this way so that they can't see my plate. This person doesn't seem to care. That guy's just putting up his political signs. He didn't care at all. I feel like in a bigger city like Houston or like Miami or LA, New York City even, they don't really care too much because they're used to just like rambunctious stuff happening. Around here though, you have to be so careful because like everybody around here is all peaceful, and like they don't even like looking at young kids. Like me, like I'm 21 years old and I still get an eye even if I'm in my PT Cruiser just because I exist. And then when they see that same young kid but he's in some souped up sports car that's loud and low to the ground with big shiny wheels on it, they obviously don't take too kindly to that. Like me doing donuts there, I wish nobody was looking at me. Those two guys looked at me and I took off because I knew that they would get mad. Like, we're not trying to do it to impress anybody. We're not trying to do it to hurt anybody, to annoy people. We try doing it in the nicest way possible, and we still just get bad looks because our hobby is different than what they like doing. And that's just dumb to me. But that's the end of my rant. That's also going to be the end of today's video. Literally just a POV drive. I figured it was best to like drive and talk rather than just talk. And so yeah, let me know if you guys like these. I can do these every once in a while, just update you guys on the car, on my life, on what's going on with the channel and stuff like that, and just talk to you guys. Like, I always just want to talk to you guys. I never know like how, because I'm always doing, I obviously have to do a video about something, and this gives you guys something to actually enjoy while I still get to talk to you. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot because I would love to do more of these in the future. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. There's another 350Z here. There's a 350Z parked at the dang thingy-majigger. Oh my god, man. I like it. I like it, man. That's sick. Alright. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the website, www.smoothstance.com/shop. Das Vidania, and have a nice night.